Hi, this is Susan from La Estancia Vacations, and I'm here with Aramis, and we are sitting on the Risolina, which is where you're going to head out on a sunset cruise, maybe a snorkeling tour. Tell me about the sunset cruise.
Oh, it's a great cruise. Open bar, great margaritas, good stuff. But we have more than that. We have really good Bloody Marys, rum and coke, gin and tonic, you name it. Oh, white wine, beer. And besides that, it's a great dinner. Barbecue ribs, roasted chicken, rice, vegetables, fresh guacamole, made at the moment from scratch. We choose the avocados, the really good ones. And then it's also with a green salad. It's a great trip. We're gonna have a blast. Beautiful sunsets all the time. Yeah, and we play by ear. First we go by Lovers Beach, this Lions Colony, the arch just over there, so we can have the couples taking pictures over there with the arch in the background. Oh, families, lovers to be, you never know. Yeah, because sometimes you never know. Yeah, okay. And then after that, when you go on the other side, on the Pacific, oh, in winter time we see the sunset on the ocean. It's great. We play that. In that moment, we really kind of classic. A little bit of Andrea Bocelli, Time to Say Goodbye. We see the sunset. Oh, we cry a little bit, and then we play on the way back. We have a great time. And that's on the sunset, but also we do the snorkeling trips, and those are fun too. That's from 10 to 1 every day. Almost the same menu.
Same
Also
drink.
open bar, so you will have a great trip. Yeah, roasted chicken, we can bring some pasta, fresh fruit. Oh, great time. And we provide all the equipment. And 90.999999, they are happy.
So if you'd like to take a sunset cruise or a snorkeling trip, enjoy some of these great margaritas, look them up. It's the Risolina.